9. Percentage and its applications. We have learnt the concept of percentage in previous classes. In this chapter, we would review the same and discuss some more problems on percentage. Percent. A fraction with denominator as 100 is called percent. It basically means per hundred or hundredths. We denote X percent by X percent. Therefore, X percent is equal to X upon 100. When we say that Rashid secured 75% marks in the examination, it means Rashid got 75 marks out of 100, or he secured 75 upon 100. The symbol is used as percentage. To convert percent into fraction, we divide the term by 100 and remove the sign of percentage. For example, 20% is equal to 20 upon 100, which is equal to 1 upon 5. 40% is equal to 40 upon 100, which is equal to 2 upon 5. 70% is equal to 70 upon 100, which is equal to 7 upon 10. To convert a fraction into percent, we multiply and divide the fraction by 100. As we know, 1 upon 100 is percent. So we replace 1 upon 100 by the symbol percent. For example, 2 upon 5 is equal to 2 upon 5 into 100 into 1 upon 10, which is equal to 40%. 3 upon 20 is equal to 3 upon 20 into 100 into 1 upon 100, which is equal to 15%. We can write directly also. 7 upon 10 is equal to 7 upon 10 into 100%, which is equal to 70%. To convert a percent as a ratio, first, convert the percent into fraction and then fraction into ratio. For example, 7% is equal to 7 upon 100, which is equal to 7 is to 100. 20% is equal to 20 upon 100, which is equal to 1 upon 5, which is equal to 1 is to 5. To convert a ratio as a percent, we convert the ratio into fraction and then fraction into percent. For example, 2 is to 5 is equal to 2 upon 5, which is equal to 2 upon 5 into 100%, which is equal to 40%. 3 is to 6 is equal to 3 upon 6, which is equal to 1 upon 2, which is equal to 1 upon 2 into 100%, which is equal to 50%.
Example.
Express the following percent as fraction, ratio, and decimals. 42%, 65%. Solution. 42% is equal to 42 upon 100, which is equal to 21 upon 50 as fraction. 42% is equal to 42 upon 100, which is equal to 21 upon 50 is equal to 21 is to 50 as ratio. 42% is equal to 42 upon 100, which is equal to 0.42 as decimal. 65% is equal to 65 upon 100, which is equal to 13 upon 20 as fraction. 65% is equal to 65 upon 100, which is equal to 13 upon 20, which is equal to 13 is to 20 as ratio. 65% is equal to 65 upon 100, which is equal to 0.65 as decimal.
Example.
Express each of the following as percent. 3 upon 5, 4 is to 25. Solution. 3 upon 5 is equal to 3 upon 5 into 100%, which is equal to 60%. 4 is to 25 is equal to 4 upon 25, which is equal to 4 upon 25 into 100%, which is equal to 16%.
Example. A man got 10% increase in his salary. If his enhanced salary is rupees 1,54,000 per annum, then find his original salary. Solution. Let's original salary be rupees X. Increase in salary is equal to 10% of rupees X is equal to rupees 10 divided by 100 multiplied by x is equal to rupees x divided by 10. Enhanced salary is equal to rupees bracket x plus x divided by 10 is equal to rupees 11 divided by 10x. According to the question, 11x divided by 10 is equal to 1,54,000. It implies that x is equal to 1,54,000 multiplied by 10 divided by 11 is equal to 1,40,000. Hence, his original salary was rupees 1,40,000. Example: Shishir requires 35% marks to pass an examination. He secures 125 marks and fails by 50 marks. What are the maximum marks? Solution: let the maximum marks be x. Shishir secured 125 marks and fails by 50. Pass marks is equal to 125 plus 50 is equal to 175. Because 35% of x is equal to 175, it implies that 35 divided by 100 multiplied by x is equal to 175. It implies that x is equal to 175 multiplied by 100 divided by 35. It implies that x is equal to 500. Therefore, the maximum marks are 500.
Profit and loss. We have learnt the basics of profit and loss and its computing in the previous class. We know that the cost price, CP, of an article is the price at which the shopkeeper pays to the wholesaler or manufacturer. That is, the amount paid to purchase the article is called cost price. The selling price, SP, is the price at which goods or articles are sold. Profit, gain. If the selling price, SP, of an item is greater than the cost price, CP, then the difference between them is called profit, gain. Profit, gain is equal to SP minus CP. It implies that SP is equal to CP plus profit. CP is equal to SP minus profit. Loss. If the cost price, CP, is greater than the selling price, SP, then the difference between them is called loss. It implies that loss is equal to CP minus SP. SP is equal to CP minus loss. CP is equal to SP plus loss. Sometimes, after buying the goods from the wholesaler or manufacturer, the shopkeeper also spends some money on transportation, labor charges, repairing, maintenance, etc. It is also added to the cost price, CP. Then it is called effective cost price. Note, the gain or loss is always calculated on the cost price, CP. Gain or loss percent. Gain percent is the gain that is obtained on the CP of 100 rupees. Loss percent is the loss that is obtained on the CP of 100 rupees. Gain percent is equal to gain upon CP into 100%. Loss percent is equal to loss upon CP into 100%. If the articles are sold or purchased at a loss, then cost price CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 minus loss percent. Selling price SP is equal to CP into 100 minus loss percent upon 100. If the articles are sold or purchased at a gain, then cost price CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 plus gain percent. Selling price SP is equal to CP into 100 plus gain percent upon 100. We can also use unitary method to find the cost price and the selling price. If CP is rupees 500, gain 20%, find SP. 2. If SP is rupees 630, gain 5%. Find CP. Solution. CP is equal to rupees 500. Gain is equal to 20%. SP is equal to CP into 100 plus gain percent upon 100. This is equal to rupees 500 into 100 plus 20 upon 100, which is equal to rupees 500 into 120 upon 100, which is equal to rupees 600. Alternative method. Gain is equal to 20% means if CP is equal to rupees 100, then SP is equal to rupees 120. If CP is equal to rupees 100, then SP is equal to rupees 120. Therefore, if CP is rupees 500, then SP is equal to rupees 120 upon 100 into 500, which is equal to rupees 600. 2. SP is equal to rupees 630, gain is equal to 5%. CP is equal to SP into 100 upon 100 plus gain percent, which is equal to rupees 630 into 100 upon 100 plus 5, which is equal to rupees 630 into 100 upon 105, which is equal to rupees 600. Alternative method. Gain is equal to 5% means if CP is equal to rupees 100, then SP is equal to rupees 105. Therefore, if SP is rupees 105, then CP is equal to rupees 100. Therefore, if SP is rupees 630, then CP is equal to rupees 100 upon 105 into 630, which is equal to rupees 600. Hence, cost price is rupees 600.
Example. Sohan purchased 2 fans for rupees 1,500 each. He sold one at a loss of 5% and another at a gain of 10%. Find the total profit or loss. Solution. CP of first fan is equal to rupees 1,500. Loss is equal to 5%. If CP is rupees 100, then SP is equal to rupees 95. Therefore, if CP is equal to rupees 1,500, then SP is equal to rupees 95 divided by 100 multiplied by 1,500 is equal to rupees 1,425. Therefore, SP of first fan is equal to rupees 1,425. CP of second fan is equal to rupees 1,500. Gain is equal to 10%. If CP is rupees 100, then SP is rupees 110. Because if CP is rupees 1,500, then SP is equal to rupees 110 divided by 100 multiplied by 1,500 is equal to rupees 1,650. Therefore, SP of second fan is equal to rupees 1,650. Therefore, total SP is equal to rupees 1,425 plus 1,650 is equal to rupees 3,075. Total CP is equal to 2 multiplied by rupees 1,500 is equal to rupees 3,000. Therefore, gain is equal to rupees 3,075 minus 3,000 is equal to rupees 75. Hence, total gain is rupees 75. Example, if the selling price of 10 pence is equal to the cost price of 14 pence, find the gain percent. Solution. Let the CP of 1 pen be rupees 1. Therefore, CP of 14 pence is equal to rupees 14. SP of 10 pence is equal to rupees 14 because SP of 10 pence is equal to CP of 14 pence. CP of 10 pence is equal to rupees 10. Gain is equal to SP minus CP. Gain is equal to rupees 14 minus 10 is equal to rupees 4. Therefore, gain percent is equal to gain multiplied by 100 divided by CP percent is equal to 4 multiplied by 100 divided by 10% is equal to 40%. Hence, the gain is 40%.
Discount. There is price marked on every article known as the market price, MP, or list price. Discount or rebate is the amount deducted from the list price, marked price of an article to attract the customers. You must have seen big posters, banners in front of the shops vis-à-vis sale, discount, 15%, Diwali bumper discount, 30%, off-season discount, 25%, or similarly, the pamphlet that comes with the newspapers. The customer pays less amount than the marked price. The discount is always given on the marked price. The net price, which is now the selling price, is given by the relation net price. Selling price is equal to marked price minus discount. Example 1. The MP of an article is rupees 750. If the shopkeeper gives a discount of 10%, find the selling price of the article. Solution. Marked price is equal to rupees 750. Discount is equal to 10% of the marked price, which is equal to rupees 10 upon 100 into 750, which is equal to rupees 75. SP is equal to MP minus discount, which is equal to rupees 750 minus 75, which is equal to rupees 675. Example 2. Find the marked price if the selling price is rupees 950 and discount allowed is 5%. Solution. Let the marked price be rupees 100 since discount is 5%. Therefore, SP is equal to MP minus discount, which is equal to rupees 100 minus 5, which is equal to rupees 95. If SP is rupees 95, then MP is equal to rupees 100. If SP is rupees 950, then MP is equal to rupees 100 upon 95 into 950, which is equal to rupees 1000. Hence, marked price is rupees 1000. Successive discounts. Suppose a discount of X% is given on an article. Then on the reduced price a discount of Y% is given. In such a case, we say that successive discounts of X% and Y% are given. Example, find the single discount equivalent to two successive discounts of 15% and 20%. Solution. Let MP be rupees 100. First discount is equal to 15% of MP, which is equal to 15% of rupees 100, which is equal to rupees 15. Price after first discount is equal to rupees 100 minus 15 is equal to rupees 85. Second discount is equal to 20% of rupees 85, which is equal to rupees 85 into 20 upon 100 is equal to rupees 17. Price after second discount is equal to rupees 85 minus 17, which is equal to rupees 68. Net selling price is equal to rupees 68. Therefore, single equivalent discount is equal to rupees 100 minus 68, which is equal to rupees 32. single discount equivalent to 2 successive discounts is equal to 32%. Value-added tax, VAT. The government has to provide various facilities to its citizens, and for that it needs money. In order to meet the expenditure, the government imposes certain taxes so as to get the required funds. Value-added tax, VAT, is one such tax, and it is calculated on the selling price of the goods. VAT or sales tax is levied at a specified rate, which is different for different articles, and also it differs from state to state. The following examples clarifies also how the value-added tax, VAT, is calculated. Example 1. Mohit purchased a refrigerator at the list price of Rs 16,000. If the rate of VAT was 10%, find the amount he had to pay for purchasing the refrigerator. Solution. List price of the refrigerator is equal to 16,000. VAT is equal to 10% of 16,000, which is equal to 16,000 into 10 upon 100, which is equal to 1,600. Therefore, total amount payable is equal to 16,000 plus 1,600, which is equal to 17,600. Therefore, Mohit paid Rs 17,600. Example 2. The price of a washing machine is Rs 14,000 inclusive of VAT. If the rate of VAT is 12%, find the basic price of the washing machine. Solution. Let the basic price of the washing machine be Rs X. VAT is equal to 12% of Rs X, which is equal to Rs X into 12 upon 100, which is equal to Rs 12x upon 100, which is equal to Rs 3x upon 25. Therefore, SP of the washing machine is equal to Rs X plus 3x upon 25, which is equal to Rs 28 upon 25x. Hence, 28x upon 25 is equal to 14,000. SP is equal to 14,000. X is equal to 14,000 into 25 upon 28, which is equal to 12,500. Therefore, the basic price of washing machine is 12,500.